All right, so we are on number 15, Lesson 1 Core Fluency Practice Set B. We are working on number 14. So it says 5 plus what equals 9? And what did you have for your answer?
1.
Okay, so Isaac, let's prove that to see if that's the right answer or not. So you say 5 plus 1 equals 9. So show me how you came up with that answer.
I sort of need, I had 4.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy gave me 1 more. Bingo.
Okay, so show me with your, you can choose your blocks, you can write circles or your number line. Which aid did you want to use?
I'll try my
Number line.
number. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Okay, so let's show everybody your number line. All right, so your number line is numbered, it's numbered 1 through 20. Okay, yes, it's backwards, right?
But we know because all the numbers are in the same position. Like 100, 24, 25, 26, 27, 40, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay, go get your little marker there, the wipe off marker. Okay, bring it over here. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. So we're going to look at 5 plus what equals 9. So we're going to start at what number?
5.
Good job. So we're going to mark 5.
Alright guys, we'll stop the drop. I'll be right there.
And we need to get to the number 9. So I'm going to circle the number 9 because that's our goal.
Mom.
It's our visual. Okay. Isaac, come back up, please. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Isaac. Come up. When you're ready.
Folks. Isaac needs to get up.
Okay. All right, so we're going to count from 5 to 9. Go ahead and count how many spaces it takes to get from 5 to 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. Zero my head and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. So for the answer, you say what? 5 plus what equals 9? How many spaces did you move?
5.
Okay. So we talked about we skip the first number. We don't actually count the 5, right? Mm-hmm. So we're going to try it again. I want you not to count this as 1 and go start at 6 as your number 1. So go from 5. Go 5 in your head.
5 in my head.
And say 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, and what's your answer?
4.
Okay, don't mark your paper with the marker, please.
I did.
Okay.
Look, see?
I understand. Okay, so what do you need to do here? So you have, let's see, you wrote down this answer. Everybody can see Isaac's answer. And Do you think 5 plus 1 equals 9? Do you think 5 plus 1 equals 9?
No.
What's the answer? Very good. So go ahead and correct the answer, please. Please don't touch. Sweetheart. Okay. What answer are you going to put?
4.
Good job.
Mom.
Yes, Isaac. I'm sorry, what is your question?
Can I take a break?
Well, we haven't done very many problems, Isaac. But yes, go ahead and take a minute break. The time right now is 1:04.
Can I go on the tablet?
And no, we cannot go on the tablet because you still have your math work to do. So when it is 1:05, you will come back. It's 1:05. Come back, please. Thank you.
That was fair.
All right, so our next problem is number 15. 5 plus what equals 7?
That was just...
Hello. So we're still working on problem 15. Okay, so 5 plus what equals 7? Do you want to figure that out? Do you know how you're going to get that answer?
Let me. Okay. Excuse me, folks. Let me do something.
Isaac, I need you to come back from under the table. I need you to get up, and I need you to please solve the problem, please.
It's 2.
Okay, thank you. Put the answer to the problem down, please. So you're saying 5 plus 2 is 7?
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
2 more. 7.
Okay. Good job. So number 16, 8 equals 5 plus what? How are you going to get that answer?
Obvious is... Excuse me, folks.
Please get from under the table, son, and I want you to sit on the chair properly. College ready. Thank you. Okay, so we have 8 equals 5 plus... And what's your answer?
3.
Very good. Okay, number 17. 5 plus what equals 9?
5. 5. 9. All 3, C, 4.
Very good.
8. Then you get to 20. 1. 2. 2 more.
8 plus 2 is 10? Very good. 7 plus what equals 10?
Sit in my head and say 8, 9, 10. 10. 3, folks. 3!
Very good.
See?
Next one, number 20. 10 equals 6 plus what? You have your number line. You have a blank piece of paper.
Mom.
You have...
Mom, I need you to think. For my head and say 5, 6, 7.
4 plus what is 7? 4 plus 3? Good job. Good job. The next one is 7 equals 3 plus what?
4.
4? Okay, 4. Yes, that's correct. 2 plus what?
I got it. No way help. And thank you.
Okay. You're seeing the problem so that they know what the problem is. They can't see your paper. So we're on problem 23 where it's 2 plus what equals 7.
I got it. I really got it. I just need to think.
Okay.
So, 5, 6, 7. 7, folks.
Good job.
1, 2, 3. See?
What's your answer?
3. See? Easy peasy and squeezy.
So let me ask you a question. Let me see. We see the problem here. And so we wrote down 2 plus 3 equals 7. Is that true?
5.
Did you count on your fingers, or you can count on your, what are these, blocks?
God
Or
gave me.
do number line?
No, it was God.
God told you it was 2 plus 3 equals 7?
Yep.
Okay, so let's figure this out. Let's count with your blocks. Are you ready? Come back onto the chair, please.
Come on, I want a bigger break.
Well, I'll give you a 1-minute break if we can complete, when we complete number 23. Because we have until number 30 to complete all 30 on one page, and then we have our other side B that we have to complete 30 more, like the same we were just doing.
Oh!
Okay, so can you build 2 for me, please? Connect the 2, please. 2 squares. And show everybody your 2 squares, please.
I don't even have to look. I just have to connect it together.
Okay, but you have to show them that you have 2, because you're teaching them 2 squares. You show them 2? Okay. Not that close, sweetie. There you go. So you need to actually get to the number 7. So we're going to give you how many more to get you to the number 7. So we have 2, count.
3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so how many more do you need? You need a couple more?
See?
Okay, but that's not your answer yet. So we want to build how many till we get to 8 blocks, right?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You need a total of how many blocks?
9, 10.
I'm a little confused, actually. I thought we were on problem number 23, which is 2 plus what equals 7, honey. So we need how many blocks?
7.
Yeah, so how many blocks do you have in your hand?
You gave me one more.
So but count how many you have in your hand.
5, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. These 2 dark ones represent the number that you started with. Here, let's show the camera. You started with 2. How many are the light blue ones? Count the light blue for me, please.
5.
So there's 5? Okay.
Mhm. Wait,
Yeah, right?
3. Yeah.
Okay, so what should your answer be? 2 plus what equals 7?
7.
With your answer, you put 3, but what should the answer really be? 2 plus what equals 7? If you see your visual here of blocks,
5.
it should be 5. You're right.
Does
So
anyone know where's my pencil?
your pencil is right here. Very good. So 2 plus 5 equals 7.